So in today's video, I wanted to share an incident which happened with my car recently. So this year, I took my car to a couple of places. For example, one was Costco, wherein I exchanged my tires from winter to all season. And then in May this year, I realized that, towards the back of the car in the trunk, under the trunk bed, there is a space wherein we can either have a spare tire or a spare tire kit. And since my car is a hybrid, so it actually had a spare tire kit, which is like a foam box and a tire inflator. And to my surprise, it was missing, right? And then the bigger surprise was when I checked with the dealership, the cost of that spare tire kit was around $1,000, which was, like for me. And then I went back to all these places wherein I took my car, and then I requested them to check the security footage and stuff like that, but we couldn't found anything. So then eventually one place, they were kind enough and they actually arranged for a recycled part, like that, the spare tire kit. And just this week I got it installed. The lesson of my story is that, like, you should be aware, like in your car where everything are, generally people, like, they don't care much. So like, to avoid such incident which happened with me, you should be aware of where everything is. And then once you like, drop your vehicle to some place to get something done, and later when you pick it up, you should cross check that all those things are there. And I guess it will be helpful for you.